So first I can start with the advanced law of attraction. When I took for the first time, I was amazed by the yin and yang lesson. It was something which blew my mind. I could see that I have some yin qualities, but I was more like a yang person. And more importantly, I was not yin in front of everyone. I was not open at all. I was not vulnerable. I was open for the professional life, but not for the personal life, not vulnerable at all. Very few people were there with in front of whom I was vulnerable. And then I started working on these qualities, as Mitesa mentioned. I actually worked almost on all the lessons, however Mitesa mentioned. And I'm really good at affirmations. I believe that I work a lot with that. Even I observe that when I'm waking up in the morning, I say my affirmations like at midnight. Even just yesterday I had a conflict with my husband, and it was, I spoke with Mitesh, and then I got an affirmation and I said that at midnight when I went for washroom. So I always loved the affirmation part, and I think that something is really has helped me a lot in manifesting better things in life. And and then I took next relationship mastery, which blew my mind. The first lesson, the source connection, oh my god. I should tell you that I had a conflict with my siblings, with whom I didn't speak for like almost an year. And then after I took Mitesa's ALOA, I spoke to them, and it felt like nothing, that's all. And it was nice. I'm back to the relationship now I had with them, and I feel really good. And then I took the relationship mastery course, and it blew my mind. It really blew my mind, because the source connection was something which was missing. I always loved my father. I loved him as a human being. I accepted him as a human being. But as a father also he was fine, but not as a husband. So as Mitesa says, that there were qualities which I needed to learn. So that was something very blowing my mind. And then I connected, so I started feeling love. And one of the another thing which I really love was Mitesa does this often, that he asks to look into the eyes, and I love that. I started looking into the eyes of any stranger, even dogs, cats, anyone, and I say this sentence, and then there's 11, he and I, she and I are one. The challenges are one, the dreams are one, the curiosity is one. And I love that. It's so beautiful. And then I was like, I needed to learn about Ho'oponopono, NLP. I was fascinated. And then I just took the NLP. It was not an easy step to take. Being a middle class family, I took my own share of time to take it. But yeah, it was something good I did. So after I took, I started the journey from there. And then slowly, I think in each lesson, in each weekend, we were learning something new. And the journey was quite fascinated, I can say that. And I was really enjoying. I started enjoying my life. Like, my relationships became better. Even leave aside the personal, which was bad. I think I'm doing always pretty well in the professional life. But I could see a lot of challenges me have in my professional life, which all disappeared. So the reflection lesson was so amazing, so amazing. Even sometimes I find it challenging, reflection lessons today. Like, I'm like, what is the reflection of it? And it's like, oh my god. And when I talk to people, oh my god, it's so wow. So reflection lesson, that was something amazing.